Question 12. Here are some diagrams of some 3D shapes. Tick each shape that has the same number of faces as vertices. It's got to be the same number of both. Well, vertices is just a posh word for corners. Okay, so let's count the vertices for each shape first. Well, the corners are the pointy bits, so we could just put a spot on each corner. So we've got a corner there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that will be an 8th one in the back there. So the cube has got 8 vertices. A square base pyramid, again, I'll put a dot on the pointy bit. So 1, 2, 3, 1 at the back and 1 at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes 5 vertices. Triangular prism, 1, 2, 3, 4 around the bottom, and then we've got 5, 6 if you include the 2 top ones. So that's 6. Triangular base pyramid is 1, 2, 3, and then 1 more at the top, makes 4. Now we need to talk about number of faces. Well, a face on a 3D shape is like on a dice that's got 6 sides. So how many sides has it got? It's the 3D word for sides. So like a dice has got 6 sides, it's also got 6 faces. So, easiest way of thinking about the faces is to think about the flat surfaces. So on the cube, we've got 1 at the front and 1 at the back. Then we've got a left and a right, and then a top and a bottom. So front and back. So front, back, left, right, top, bottom. That would be 6 faces. So there's 6 faces on a cube. A square base pyramid, there's going to be 1 along the bottom, but because the square along the bottom has got 4 sides, there will be 4 more around the sides. So 4 around the sides plus 1 on the bottom makes 5. So that would have 5 faces. A triangular prism has got a triangle at the front and a triangle at the back, but then it's got a rectangle along the bottom, so that would be 3 faces, and it's got 2 sides, 1 on the right and 1 on the left. So front and back is 2, plus 3 is the bottom, plus another 2, which makes 5 altogether, would be the sides. So that's going to be 5. And then finally, the triangular base pyramid. Well, there's 1 face along the bottom, which is a triangle. Because it's a triangle, it's got 3 sides. And there'd be a triangle going up each of the 3 sides. Plus the one at the bottom would make 4 faces. So let's read our question again. Tick each shape that has the same number of faces as vertices. Well, on the cube, 6 and 8 are not the same. So we don't want to be ticking that one. Square base pyramid, 5 faces, 5 vertices. They are the same, so we want to be ticking that one. Triangular prism, 5 faces, 6 vertices, so that's not the same. And triangular base pyramid, 4 faces and 4 vertices, which is the same. So your 2 answers are basically the 2 pyramids, the square base pyramid and the triangular base pyramid.